release on the scooter. And let's see if it goes up. See if we fixed it. And there you have it. Drone is all repaired. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining the show. I found the bug. And what do? Report it again? Will it get fixed? What is it about? Chroma key. Does it happen on every single chroma key thing I do? No. It only happens when I brought it down on this one particular one, and I could definitely see it. And it almost looks like it has a piece of glass in front of it. I got an old thing. Bringing it out. Can't do it right now because it's not with me. I'll do it on my next one. And I'm going to do it in the daytime. I'm going to have some fun with it. But how am I going to get it there? On the right side. The wind may be coming this way. I'm going to move out just a little bit. I got my box with me, as you can see. My little strap. It works, so I know I can get somewhere. I don't recall why I retired my sports cup. Weak motor. And I got another motor I could put in. But they're just weak motors from these companies. I'm going to go get a flight. It's not about speed. It's about finesse. That's what I use. I love this thing. Here is the sports cup. I'm all set up. So I got power. Let's go for a flight. Full throttle. Oh yeah, it does work. Hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna be nearby because I got people in the park. If I go too high, then the wind's gonna take it. Come on, baby, turn. Turn. Use the rudder, Fish. I just not using my rudder. I forgot how this thing flies. So what I'm gonna do is just keep it nearby. I was told to, yeah, I got problems with the airlines. I was told to use an ND filter or take the ND filter off. I don't use an ND filter. Coasting, look at that bad boy coast. I'll get it there. I know how to do it. I love the comment a person made. And I wasn't even using one of those. I don't use ND filters. I only showed it because I did it only on the beginning of the auction for the very beginning vid. After that, it wasn't needed. So I'm thinking real serious, and I'm talking myself out of it. $355 is what I got free. Or it could be $285, a $75 difference. I don't think I am going to use it. I'm going to save my $180 instead and go a different route of the things I want to do. It's not about having all the latest and greatest. You can have it, it's Sky. You can have all the cameras in the world. But I won't be thinking about anything more. I tell you don't have to have all the gimmicks in the world to have fun. Just one camera can do it. Like this one. Stealth flyers towards the left. Oh man. Look at that big one jump. Oh, it's not a fish. It's a treble. But they are jumping, and they're not snapper. They could be mackerel. But look at that go. The sun arising. So yeah, if I got one of the good cameras and I'm happy with it, why would I need another? Why would I have another? And another? And another? And another? Are they doing it again? Squatting every brick in half? Yeah, they probably are. Oh man, look at that run. They're running in the water. There's nothing you could do about it. That's running fish right there. You could drop your line in it, you're not going to catch them. School after school. Oh man. Look at them go. Right here. What a formation they're doing. Can you see him? I can see him nice and clear. Woo, look at that bad boy go. They ran. Well, I tell you, the sun is that way, so everything over here is just starting to lighten up. And that's why you see a nice blue sky. Now, let me tell you, I got this flashlight headlights I'm doing. And then the bike light came in. I could have did it this morning. I gotta wait and test it out, look it out, inspect it out, all that good stuff. And it's gonna take time. And I bet you the company's gonna contact me to do some more of their headlights, which they did. And 1 is good, 2's great, 3 is unbelievable, man, to do. 3. They moved in my position, grabbing the sun. You have more than one camera to capture 2 shots of the moment. 1 is all that's needed. I'm going to be running that shot because I'm going to be in my spot. And I'm always in my spot, taking my moment, my share, my world. Like I said, why would you want to shoot into the sun and you don't have any ND filters on or a light to brighten up your silhouette, your picture? I'm saying a story, sharing a story, and don't look that great. It's much better this way, but this is not a camera that you want to be more than 6 feet away unless you're going to in post increase the volume or use an external mic. And the external mic that one person says that this camera could do, not true. It must have a USB-C connection, or in that connection of whatever system you're using, you can use any type of mic as long as you have that USB-C connection. I interrupt the speed so I can capture the moment of the geese flying. The one thing the DOA4 is good for, yeah, when you do that speed recording that nobody talks about online because they don't know what I'm saying. If you interrupt it, shut it off, it continues to go on speed recording and not start back on square one. Well, I said a lot, and I did a lot, and I talked a lot, and I shit a lot, and I showed a lot, and I show a show. And off I go. I got a lot of work, a lot of editing, a lot of things to do and take care of. I'm going to put you away in my pocket for another rainy day. I got many other things to take care to do right now. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. Got a garbage truck getting towed. Found out where the geese went. Oh, I got somebody watching me with their phone. Oh man, so let's get on out of here. I did what I need to do. At least they could say, can I get a picture? But we all film.